Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to take a walk around Home Depot and see some of the deals they got for Father's Day. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So let's check out some of the lawnmowers they're going to have for sale. Right here is the Milwaukee 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. This is usually right around $1,100. $100 off on this, marking the price down to $1,000. This is going to come with two 12 amp hour batteries, up to 60 minutes of runtime. And the good thing is Home Depot's doing buy more, save more. It does say online only. Now, if you're also looking for a string trimmer, maybe a blower, as you guys can see, it's going to save you a little bit of money here. So if you buy 3, you get 10% off. If you buy 4, 20% off. And then if you buy 5, you're going to get 25% off. So if you guys are in the market looking for maybe the Milwaukee lawnmower plus some more outdoor power equipment, this might be a good pickup for you. They also got some deals for Ryobi. They got the 40-volt HP self-propelled. This is going to come with one 6 amp hour battery, up to 40 minutes of runtime. This was $429. Not a huge discount on this one, but it drops the price down to $400. And then for something a little bit cheaper, they do have the push 40-volt HP. That's also going to include a 6 amp hour battery. $329 normally, marked it down to $300. Now here's another deal I found at my local Home Depot. You might find this at yours. This is the Makita 36-volt self-propelled lawnmower. So this is going to come with 4 5 amp hour batteries. And this looks like a clearance deal. This was $629 all the way down to $449. And along with the 4 5 amp hour batteries, it's also going to come with a dual port charger. So pretty good deal there if you guys can find that clearance item at your Home Depot. Now for you guys looking for a gas lawnmower, here's the Dewalt 21-inch self-propelled 2-in-1 mower. This one has the 150cc Briggs & Stratton. Price on this is going to be $419. Now here's a nice Father's Day gift. This is the Traeger Pro Series 22 pellet grill. $160 off on this, bringing the price down to $389. Now if you guys are looking for something bigger, they do have the Traeger Woodridge pellet grill. They're knocking $100 off on this. This was $899. New price $799. Really nice pellet grill. This is Wi-Fi enabled. Nice large cooking surface. You can cook up to 42 burgers on this. This also has 24-pound hopper capacity. Max temperature 500 degrees. Now, if pellet grills aren't something you're interested in, they do have the 4-burner gas grill. This is the next grill, down to $229. This has the nice stainless steel lid, and you'll be able to cook up to 28 burgers on this one. Now for you guys that like grilling over charcoal, they do have the Weber Jumbo Joe. This is the 22-inch grill, down to $99. They also got a deal going on for the Kingsford charcoal. So this is a 2-pack of the 16-pounders, down to $17.88. They also got the Jealous Devil 20-pounders for $15. And then for your Traeger guys, they also got the 30-pound Pro Blend pellets. Price on that is going to be $23.95. So if you dads are looking for some pressure washers, they got a couple on sale. So here's the 1800 PSI. What I like about this one is it's lightweight, nice and compact, and you can pick this one up for $99. They also got a few attachments you can pick up. I really like the surface cleaner. I use this to clean my patio. And then they also got the water broom, which can come in handy if you're looking to clean underneath your vehicle. They also got the bigger 2000 PSI electric pressure washer. Price on this is $199. Now, if you're looking for something that's going to do some heavy duty cleaning, they do have the 2900 PSI gas pressure washer. Price on that one is going to be $300. They also got some deals going on for Ryobi's 40-volt line. They got the 2-pack 4 amp hour starter kit. $200, $397 value there. They also have the 16-inch HP attachment capable string trimmer kit, $229 for that one. And then they have the blower. This is the 650 CFM kit for $229. Both of those come with 4 amp hour batteries. Now they do have those two bundled as a 2-tool combo kit for $299. This price is going to be a better value than buying them separately. And if you pick up the 2-tool combo kit, that will come with one 4 amp hour battery in the charger. They also have your choice for $159. Now this is going to be the 15-inch string trimmer kit. A little bit smaller. It is still attachment capable. Comes with the 4 amp hour battery, or the smaller 550 CFM blower kit. And they also have that bundled as a 2-tool combo kit for $249. Also for the 40 volt line, they got the HP 20-inch air cannon. So this is the tool only, but this was $229 down to $199. Now this is a hybrid fan, so you can either use the 40 volt battery or you can plug this into an AC outlet. And this would be nice to cool down your shop or garage with 6,300 CFM. Now, if you guys are looking for a smaller fan and you're in a Dewalt line, they do have the 20 volt job site fan down to $99 again, normally around $149. This is for the tool only, and Dewalt makes one of the best smaller fans on the market. So Milwaukee has some instant savings. They got two deals going on here. Instantly save $300 when you buy one of these tools and one starter kit. And then they have another deal going on. Instantly save $150 when you buy one of these tools and one starter kit. Now, if you guys are looking for a mechanic set, they do have the Husky 270-piece tool set, $120 for this one. Comes in a nice hard case. It's going to include your 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive, ratchets and sockets. To have built-in drawers so everything's nice and organized. Just a nice all-around tool set for dad. Another nice Father's Day gift is this Husky 2200 lumen tripod light. This was $79.98 down to $49.98. So this is rechargeable up to 17 hours of runtime. It does have the tripod included, and then the light is also detachable, so it can be used handheld. Comes with a nice carry bag. So as you guys can see, it's got 3 LED lights on there that are adjustable. So overall, it looks like a pretty nice work light. Here's one of my favorite Ryobi deals. So this is the Ryobi High Performance. So the HP starter kit for $199. You're going to be able to get 2 4-amp-hour batteries, 1 2-amp-hour battery. And if you pick that up, you get a tool for free. Now, they got a lot of tools to choose from, but if you're looking to get the best value, either pick up the HP 1/2-inch impact wrench. Price on that's usually $180. The 18-gauge brad nailer is another good value at $190. The tripod light's a savings of $200. And the cordless vacuum's right around $190 savings. Now, if you guys aren't into the Ryobi High Performance line, they do have another buy one, get one. They have a Ryobi 1 Plus starter kit for $99. That's going to be 1 4-amp-hour battery, 1 2-amp-hour battery, and you'll be able to select one of these tools for free. And here's a closer look at those tools, just so you guys can see the value that you'll receive depending on which product you choose. So these tools that are free are going to range anywhere from $59 all the way up to $79. So of course, you're going to get the best bang for your buck if you're able to pick up one of those $79 items. Another Ryobi deal is the Speed Bench mobile workstation. This has been $199 for a long time. Finally dropped the price on this down to $179. This is pretty nice because it's dual function. Actually works as a workbench and then it folds into a dolly. I actually own this. Bought it when it first came out. This is coming really handy as a workbench and a dolly. Up to a 400-pound capacity, and the work surface is 42 inches by 22 inches. Also, another good pickup for you DIYers is the 6-tool combo kit for $200. There's a look at everything you're going to get. 4-amp-hour battery, 1.5-amp-hour battery, and you're going to get 6 tools in the tool bag. Husky's also got some deals going on for their workbenches. So this is the 2-drawer adjustable height workbench. Savings on this is $70. Price is $298. So in case you guys don't know, this actually has a crank built in, so you can lift and lower your workstation. Also has the 2 built-in drawers. So pretty nice workbench by Husky. They also got a deal going on for their 9-drawer tool cabinet. So this is down to $398, saving $50 on this one. It's got the wood top. Nice option for some tool storage. Go ahead and jump into some more Milwaukee deals. So we got buy one, get one. If you buy the starter kit for $299, 2-pack of the 6-amp-hour batteries, you'll be able to get one of these tools for free. Now, as you guys can see, your best savings is going to be on the 1/2-inch mid-torque wrench at a price of $249. But with that being said, you do have 12 different tools to choose from. Another buy one, get one they have going on is the 5-amp and 2-amp-hour starter kit. So if you pick this up for $199, you'll be able to pick up one of these tools for free. But unfortunately, with this deal, you're only going to get 4 tools to choose from. For you M12 guys, they also got a buy a one, get one. So if you pick up one of these toolkits, you're going to get a free M12 tool. There's only 4 tools to choose from. So if you can, definitely go for this bottom one here. It's the extended reach box ratchet coming in at $2.99. So that's going to be your best value for this buy one, get one. Now, if you guys are into the Dewalt Tough system, I did see that they lowered the prices. You got 20 bucks off the worktop. They got the dolly, $40 off on that. Then they also have the 2-drawer box. Was $329 down to $249. And then the deep drawer box is $249. This was $299. If you purchased all 4 of those pieces, it's still going to run you over $700. So the build quality on this is really nice, but for over $700, I would have to pass on this one. All right, guys, so that is some of the top deals for Father's Day at Home Depot. Now, if you're looking for some more deals, Harbor Freight is doing the parking lot sale right now, and I also posted a video for the top 20 things to buy during that parking lot sale. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click the video here to see those deals. But that's going to be about it for this one, guys. Hopefully you found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you like videos like these and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.